Good day, Cameron Sillings out here at Heritage Ford in Corydon, Indiana. Today I'm going to show you the all-new, completely redesigned 2018 Expedition. So we'll do a quick walk around of it, and then we're going to take it out for a spin and see what she's got. Alright, so they've done a lot of new improvements to the Expedition. You can now get the Pro Trailer backup assist, so that way it'll automatically back the vehicle up to your trailer. You don't have to use your hands or anything. The steering wheel does it for you. It's got a lot of pickup, and then this one does have the optional 3.5 EcoBoost, so it puts out a lot of power for a V6. It is quite impressive. Alright, this thing handles real well. Like I said, lots of power, so real impressed compared to previous models what they've got out of these. And a lot of pickup. We're up to 70 miles an hour already on this little stretch. Alright, we're going to go ahead and slow her down. And then for a big vehicle, it really doesn't have much of a blind spot at all. Alright, we're back. I really like what they've done with these. And this particular one does have my favorite option on it. Got the full panoramic sunroof, so it'll go all the way back to the back seat. Also has backup camera and sensors. so it'll beep if you get too close to something. A lot of good options on these. A lot of craftsmanship. Does have leather seats. You can see double stitching throughout the leather. Leather wrapped steering wheel. Just a really nice vehicle all in all. I'm going to give you one more walk around. One more walk around of it, and then hopefully you guys can come down here and take a look at it. It's a real nice car, but don't take my word for it. Come down here and look at it for yourself. We'd greatly appreciate it. So again, I'm Cameron Sillings down here at Heritage Ford. This is the all-new 2018 Expedition. Thanks for riding along.